Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I just can't stop. This is a really unique one, but very easy to draw. Maybe the easiest one to draw yet. So take your six-sided polygon, holding down the control button to get it even, and then hit P. Take a 2-point line and go from the center out to there and there to that node. Take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. I nudged it over 3 times. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to nudge it back 3 times. I'm going to left click and right click in black because I draw in red. So I'm going to go from there to about there. And I'm going to go from there, that node, to about there, trying to kind of get them even. And if you make a mistake like that, just get your shape tool. You want these to be kind of even. Now, because we're not going to select the square, I'm just going to select these two. I'm going to open up and go to blend and blend them 15 times. Now, see what happened? And I kind of did it on purpose. Take your shape tool and select this one right here by right clicking and reverse the subpath. Then look what the difference is. Voila. Control G to group it. Control D to get the two-sided arrow and go right there. Whoop. I must not have controlled D. Now, we can actually take that away. Control G to group it, Control D to do, you know what? We do need it. We need that line because that's what I'm going to rotate off of. Matter of fact, we can make that all those lines red so they kind of match. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate. Alternate C to have it rotate from the center, which is right there, and rotate 120 degrees. And then Control D again. And you get a cube artwork. Man, it looks just as good in red as it did in yellow. Let's bring the yellow one over, just kind of compare it. So my red one's a little bit smaller, but pretty cool, pretty even. And there's a lot you could do with this. Pretty cool graphic. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.